time no see. So I am here doing a pantry, and I took some before video, and now I'm just cleaning out each shelf, trying to figure out what is good and what needs to be thrown away. So we're going to be using COD, which is clean, organize, and declutter. So I will be cleaning the whole entire pantry out, and then I will have three piles or three sections that will be keep, give away, throw away, and yeah. So let's get to work. This shelf first, I have all of this to clean, all of this to remove, and this. I also have this space I can utilize, and I'm going to remove all of this as well. So I'll keep y'all posted. Okay, so I have made progress. I'm going to show y'all. I have to do it in sections because we don't have enough counter space or table space to empty out everything. So I'm going to do certain shelves and I'll show you. I have emptying all out, and I'm going to show you my little piles we have, which I know what everything is. So let me show you. Okay, so I cleaned out everything except this toaster, which I will be moving or leaving it in there as because I don't know yet where I'm going to put it. This shelf right here has all of the flour, sugars, and stuff like that, because right now I have no counter space for that. This shelf is empty. We have to clean it still. This shelf is empty. This shelf is empty, and then we have all of this stuff that I'm going to remove and see what has that can be thrown away or placed up there neatly. And then I still have to go through all of this just to see if anything is trash or whatever the case may be. So these are the oils and some containers that we might get rid of. This box is trash. This stuff right here is to give away. This is all of the canned goods that was in there. This is like coffee stuff and blenders and random stuff. This is all of the macaronis and stuff like that. This side has open stuff. This is all the box stuff we still have to go through to see if it's anything is any good. This is unopened sauces and stuff. And then this is stuff we have to go through to see if it's any good, and if not, trash. The after. So I just took a lot of things out of the boxes. I want to get something for all her teas, but as for right now, they're going to go right here. This is for like her drink mix, her extra coffee, popcorn, her baking soda. These are her little tortilla chips and seasonings. All her coffee supplies and her oatmeals and prunes. Down here, I did all her oils and her vinegar. This is an extra pot she has. She does a lot of cooking. This is some of her supplies for her cooking. She has a toaster oven and a little mini blender. We just put that there. This is for her brownies, and she has a lot of like little things because she takes it to work. So she has sugar. This cereal will be gone. She has guests right now, so that's why we didn't put it in containers. So that will be leaving once they leave. This is all her supplies to take in her lunch for work. This is her extra shells because she shops at Sam's. This shelf right here is her canned goods. She has a little fruit, and then this basket is full of her rice, her stuffings, beans, mashed potatoes. This is the little area I made for her blender, so it won't be just sitting on her counter because she does a lot of smoothies. These are all her sauces that she uses on a regular that is open. Her spaghetti, She has different noodles for meals she make. All her noodles are here, and then she has dinner boxes here. These are all the sauces that are not open. These are her canned goods. Her apple cider vinegar. This shelf right here is for baking. She has cornmeal, sugars, flours are in the back in those Ziploc bags. We have her condensed milk, her cocoa, grits. It's oatmeal behind the grits. Then we have sugar, flour. Flour is behind, and then she also has stuff for frying and baking. At the top, we just put all her coffee makers and extra stuff she has, her paper towels, and then this is extra stuff that she didn't have a place to put it. So this is the after. I'm so excited, and I hope she will be excited too. She is like 4 feet 8 inches, 10 inches, so I had to kind of put stuff in eye level for her as well. So this is the after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see me do another pantry or bathroom, just comment in the comment sections and give this video a big thumbs up, and sharing is oh so caring. Bye guys.